Hello, let's learn Bhangra.
Step 1. Right hand up, pull it down. Step 2. Both hands up and hop. Step 3. Fast shoulders, shake, shake.
Mix it all together. You got it. Great job. Bye-bye.
और अभी भी नहीं आया तो रिपीट करके देखते जाएं और सीखते जाएं। बाय बाय।